Every wafer starts with carefully sourced ingredients.
Now, let's step inside and see how vanilla wafers are made at scale.
And that's how vanilla wafers are made, from start to finish.
Production starts with receiving and verifying each shipment.
Each ingredient is staged and weighed before mixing.
Next, everything goes into high-capacity mixers to form a smooth batter.
Flavor is precisely measured to keep every batch consistent.
Sensors track temperature and texture in real time.
Inline filtering helps keep the batter uniform and smooth.
Small checks here prevent big issues later.
Quality teams also sample products to confirm texture and consistency.
Mixing time and speed shape the final texture.
Controlled heat creates the color, aroma, and crisp structure. The goal is simple: consistent shape, color, and that classic vanilla aroma.
Sensors watch spacing and color, so every wafer meets spec.
People plus sensors, together, keep quality reliable.
From simple ingredients to a crisp, golden wafer, every step is engineered for consistency.
Lot coding supports quality tracking and freshness rotation.
From receiving to shipping, the workflow is designed for speed and consistency.
Wrapping protects cases during storing and shipping.
Automation keeps the process steady, but people keep the standards high. Next, final inspections and distribution. Each shipment is tracked for traceability from factory to store.
If you found this video informative, please press the like button now. For more factory-related videos like this, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and let us know in the comments which factory you want to see next.